Guys, MTH11 here, and I'm bringing you a different kind of video. Me and Southern Treatment, another model railroader on YouTube, I asked him if he'd like to see a video with my vehicle, so Southern Treatment, here you come, or here you go. Okay, first over here is I guess it's a pickup truck. I don't know. It's a Lego vehicle from the Lego garage, which I got the box of over here. It came with the garage sets over here. I got that for Christmas last year. You know, I modded a little. I took out a couple red 2x2 bricks and made it lower. Well, there's the first one. The second one comes from a Lego City tow truck, which I also changed up by putting yellow wheels that came with the Lego garage set as the spare tires, as you can see. Right there, see, they're white ones. And that is Lego set 129, or 7239. And the Lego garage is 76242. Then the next thing is a truck that I got at the Durham Fair, which is in Connecticut. I live in Wallingford, Connecticut. It's a Freightliner M2 with a Thermo King reefer on it. I had Coke written on it with a Sharpie, but I painted it out, and I know it's not the best paint job. But now I'm probably going to put like hoods or guiders on it. The next thing is a fire truck. Yes, I know the doors are open. I can't close them. They're molded like that. It's a European style. No, it's just blue lights. Fire truck. And got at Toys R Us. Same thing with the ladder truck. Got it at Toys R Us. You know, looking around, needed a fire truck. Notice this side doesn't have the painted black windows. You know, those two trucks I didn't get at the same time, but they were relatively cheap. The next truck is the garbage truck, which I got up in Kittery in Maine at the KB Toys, which is now closed. You know, relatively cheap. One of those. Simple. Next one is another one from KB Toys. It's another European dump truck. No, look at the two front tires. Those two front tires in the prototype would turn. Dump in action, the door comes open. The next one is an ambulance. I like to replace this one and the two fire trucks and get the better one. This one, I don't know where it came from. It was at my nephew's house. Check out Workit 82 or whatever. I'll put a link in the description box. That's my nephew. He does a lot with COD and stuff. Modern Warfare 2 and whatnot. The next one I got at Target is Jetta, or however you pronounce it, Dub Edition or a Chevy or a Cadillac Escalade police car with chrome wheels and skinny low-profile tires, tinted windows. Here, I'll show you the back for that. Give me a minute. It's not Dub Edition, but still, I couldn't remember. Big Time Muscle, Jetta. Here's all different ones. I was at Toys R Us the other day, getting that HO scale train layout that you really couldn't see from my last video. And I noticed they had the same kind of car, but in a Dodge Charger. The next set is what used to be this. Notice the ladder, which I modded to look like this, more like an American fire truck. I don't need another ladder truck, so it has a boat on it, which made no sense with a ladder truck on a boat. So, you know, this opens. There's a hose reel on the back. This opens. It's a pretty cool set. The next set came from KB Toys, although it had a box and a little forklift on the back, which I took off. I was trying to make a flatbed and haven't got around to making a flatbed on it yet. Next set, or the next thing, is a John Deere Turbo 4x4 backhoe. Also my nephew's. Which, you know, it's broken up there and I'm looking for a bigger one. The next one's a John Deere grader in a newer paint scheme. Road grader. Also my nephew's, but in much better condition. I don't know where we got this. I think we got that one right there in Maine also, but not in KB Toys. The next one came from KB Toys. It's also a European. No, it's Man. We know Man's a European company. Dumpster. Although the dumpster doesn't come off, I kind of like it if it did, but no biggie. The dumpster goes up and down, it locks, and you can have it go like that, and all kinds of things. You know, yeah. The next thing's a tractor from the Lego City set, which is right Lego Garage. This set I got, you know, as a Christmas present. Couldn't wait to get it. There's a truck. There's the tow truck. There's that little pickup truck thing. You know, nice thing. Matches the thing the tow truck's front. Nice set. Here's the tow truck. 2 front wheels, 2 back wheels. Coffee cup fell. But nice set. Missing the horns. Don't know where they went. these doors open. To nothing, really. You know, all around, this set was $100 from Lego.com. Those yellow tires that were on the Lego tow truck. Personally, I like these. I'm getting one more Lego set. For Christmas, it's the Lego trick. So stand by for that. The next set is the Lego City tank truck. When you go on Lego.com, you gotta look for it in the airport section. I don't get why, but nice set. Another thing I got for a good week in school because I'm in a special school, so I want it. You know, when I get a gas station, I'll put that in. Gas pumps upstairs in my living room for this. Okay. 11:30. Okay. Okay, guys. Well, I'm probably gonna wrap it up here. See you next time. Oh yeah, comment, rate, and subscribe. I'm also looking for an ambulance. So tell me where I can get a good looking ambulance and probably 1/50th or whatever, something low gauge scale. That'd be nice if you can put a link to it in the comment box below. Okay, guys, see you next time.